The desert wakes. Day 2 out here, far from the noise of Hammertown. Just a few trucks scattered across the desert, our own small outpost in the middle of nowhere. Morning comes in slow. Tools come out, engines get checked, gear gets tightened down. No rush, just quiet preparation before a long day. A lone rider cuts across the sand nearby, then disappears into the distance. Every now and then, a UTV rolls past on the dirt road, a reminder that everything out here is already in motion. Before we hit the trail ourselves, we hang back for a moment. A few jeeps make their way up the hill, slow, deliberate, picking their lines through the rocks. Out here, there's no rushing the climb. You wait your turn and pick your line. We open it up on the way back. Fast dirt roads stretching out in front of us. The suspension smooths it out, but the speed, you feel every bit of it. Dust trails chasing us all the way back toward camp. One last push before the day winds down, but even then, the fun isn't ending.